Hi, I'm Georgia Menetreed from Arizona Arts, here to tell you what's been going on, just in case you missed it. The College of Fine Arts Achievement Awards celebrated outstanding student artists from dance, music, art, and theater, film, and television. And like most CFA celebrations, there was live music and performances throughout.
We see color, but we don't speak for it.
Jazz musician, creative producer, and racial justice advocate Michael Mwenso hosted ancestral listening sessions presented by Arizona Arts Live. Community members were invited to listen to recordings of musical forebearers and share thoughts and feelings.
And please continue to love as you show love to us today.
The School of Dance hosted their annual Jazz Dance Workshop this weekend. They had Jazz Naz performances, a weekend full of classes by visiting guest teachers, and held a national audition for the program. And finally, I'm here at Los Trompos, an interactive art exhibit that opened at the new Student Success District. You can come by and take them for a spin or relax in between classes and look at campus like you never have before. Don't miss out on Los Trompos here until November 5th. Make sure to follow us at Arizona Arts so you don't miss out on any of the fun in the future.